Hey everybody, it's Allison here with New Little Life. So I already have a few videos on my channel about the Elvie pump, and this has become one of my new favorite pumps, to be honest. Several months ago, Elvie came out with two new products, the Elvie Catch and the Elvie Curve. And I've been dying to show you all three of them together. So today I'm going to show you the Catch, the Curve, and the Elvie pump so you know the difference between them and what's going to work for you. So Elvie has a few different products now, so it can be a little confusing. So that's why we're talking today. This is the Elvie pump. This is the pump that most people are talking about. This is the $500 pump. You can get one side for $250 or something like that. This is the pump that most people are talking about when they're talking about an Elvie pump. And this is like, well, it's not like a traditional pump, but more so in the fact that it has a motor and it's drawing milk out for as long as you need with a motor, okay? So that's the Elvie pump. If you want more information on that, I'll put a video up top for you because I've got several others on the channel. But it's got like your standard pieces. You can turn it on. The thing that people are loving about this particular pump is that you can put it right inside your bra and just go about your way. The Elvie also is very quiet, one of the quieter pumps I've ever used. Very, very gentle suction. I really, really love it. This is kind of my go-to wearable pump. Don't tell. Okay, next let's talk about the Elvie Catch. So this is not a pump at all. This is simply a milk catcher. Here are two other examples of milk catchers. Here's a Medela one. I know I've showed this one on the channel before. So you put your nipple in the back there. There's some air vents here, and it just catches maybe 1 ounce of milk. There's that. This one is from Haakaa. Similar thing. It's got little wedges in there to keep the shape, keeps things off your nipple. Again, it's just catching anything that's already leaking out. About 1 ounce there as well. This is the Elvie Catch, same kind of thing, but there's some cool things about this. This is also the most expensive of those three options that I just showed you by quite a bit, but you're really paying for some of these extra features that I'll show you right now. So check out the placement of the nipple hole here. You can see that it's clear at the top, giving all of this room to catch milk, which makes total sense. This, the Medela one, is right in the middle. So this I think is technically a breast shell. So it's just kind of meant to hold your nipple away from like clothing, which it does beautifully, and the vent holes make that really nice. This one is specifically designed though to catch milk. So you put it on the nipple here into the bra. You can see it has a really nice shape. And it just sits there, just collects milk, okay? That's the Elvie Catch. Of all the milk catchers that I've tried and seen, this one is by far my favorite. The hole up top also makes it really easy to pour out any milk that you collect. This piece also does come off for cleaning. It's expensive, but it's the best one that I found. So if you're looking for something super discreet that you can wear in your bra, that doesn't make you look weird and that does a great job, Elvie Catch. This one I'm so excited to talk to you about. This is the Elvie Curve. And this one is most comparable to something like the Haakaa. Now I know you've seen these before. I'm gonna post a comparison video on these two over on my Instagram, so you can go over there for that video. But this, in my opinion, is way better. Now, the Haakaa is much cheaper, so that's a bonus. I'm gonna get into the details between these two over in that other video. But this pump is cool, let me walk you through it. Technically it's a pump because it's got suction on the breast. It's not just catching what's leaking out, it is pulling a little bit more. So you have to be cautious about how much you use these, especially in the beginning. It comes apart for easy cleaning. Also, there's only two pieces, so the assembly is pretty straightforward. This on the back says it holds about 4 ounces, which is the same as the Haakaa, which is awesome. You could probably get a little bit more in there as well. But placing this is really easy. You just put it on your nipple, push the front, and it creates a wonderful suction. I wish I could show you. I probably can't see that. It's got quite a bit of that balloon in there. You can get a pretty strong suction with just this little thing. If you get it too strong, it's got this little bubble up top here, and there's a slit in it. So all you have to do is push that down, and it releases the suction. Super, super easy. You can also just push it a tiny bit if you need just a little bit of suction release, but when you're done, let me see if I can get you a better view of that. It's got just a little hole in it. Super, super easy to use, very user friendly. I absolutely loved this product. Again, it's got the nipple hole more towards the top, and so I was a little bit worried about pouring the milk out, but the way that it's designed makes it so easy. I'm actually gonna show you that now. Okay, so here's some blue milk in here. It's just water. But I've got about 2 ounces in there. So you can transfer it to a bottle or a bag or whatever. The top up here is flush, so it just pours right out. Let me show you. I am gonna put a towel here just because, but it's super easy. Check that out. Awesome. Okay, I have absolutely loved this Elvie Curve. Okay, it's a little expensive though. I think it was around $50, but totally worth it in my opinion. I loved it. The best thing about this is it is super, super discreet. You can just wear it in your bra, whatever. You could take this out and about. You can't, I mean, think about this. It just has to stick out. This is not discreet at all. Oh, I'm giving you the whole video right here. Go watch it on Instagram. This one is just a lot better. I need to stop saying that. It's the best, okay? That's the last time I'm gonna say it. So if you're on the Elvie website and you're like, ooh, they have a pump for $50. It's not a pump, okay? This is a $500 pump. This is also awesome and I love it. This is what you would use if you were actually pumping. This is the Elvie Curve. This is a suction pump. I think it does say breast pump on the website, but it is not an electric pump. This is just a suction, a Haakaa style pump. This is the Elvie Catch. This is just a milk catcher. Okay. I hope that helps you with all of Elvie's products understand it a little better. If you have questions, put them down below. If you've used any of these products, I would love to know. Also, comment down below and tell me what you think, or you can pop over to our Facebook group and tell me over there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.